Okay, the first word we're going to look at here, and we're going to look for our vowels. So the first vowel that I see is this E, so I'm going to label it a vowel. And this next one I see is this U, so I'm going to label it a vowel. Now we have a consonant here in the middle. So whenever I see a vowel in the between two consonants here, we know that's a closed vowel, closed syllable, and closed syllables always say its sound. So this E is going to make an eh sound here for us. So I'm going to go ahead and break these two apart. And then I see here, so this is a closed syllable. And this U here is open. So if this is an open vowel, we know that it is going to say U. It's going to say its long sound. So let's first sound out this first word here. Men, men. And then we know this U is just going to say U because it is an open syllable here. So let's sound that first part out. Then we can combine them. Men, you. Let's put them together. Menu. The word is menu. Good. Let's try another one here. We could also pound it out and use our hand and say menu. Men-you. N-you, right? We could also do that. This next word I have looks like this. Same thing as before. We're going to find those vowels. So the first vowel I see is an O. And then I see this E here, and I have a T, which we know is a consonant. So this first one, if we break this apart, I see that this first one here, this O, is a open syllable. And just like we just talked about, open syllables are going to say its name. So I first want to sound this one out. Per, O. So I have pro, pro. Now we got to figure out this second word here. And now this E is a closed syllable. So I'm going to label it closed. If it is a closed syllable, we know that the E is going to say its sound, which is eh. So let's sound this out. Act. Oops. Let's try it again. Act. Tact. Now let's combine our two sounds. So I have pro, act, tact. Let's put them together. Protect. The word is protect, right? We're going to protect each other, right? Good. And the last one I have on here same thing as before, we're going to find those vowels. So I know my A is a vowel and my I is a vowel, and I have that consonant in between. We should be pros by this now. We know that this one here, if we break it apart, we know that this one here is an open or closed. Well, I'm going to look over to my I for a second. This I is telling me that it is closed. So the closed syllable here, the I is going to say eh. So the second part, ick, ick. Now here I have st. And this vowel, it looks like it would be an open syllable here, but it's actually going to be a closed syllable. So this A is not going to say A, it's going to say ah. So now let's sound out this first part. St, ah, sta, and then t, ick. Let's put them together. Static. The word is static.